One calm evening start. Hello and welcome. It's time to relax, slow down, and practice English before bed. You've done a lot today. Now, this is your quiet moment to learn, reflect, and unwind. Let's begin together, slowly and peacefully. Let's start by greeting the evening. Say after me, "Good evening." Repeat. "I'm happy to be here." Repeat. "I'm ready to relax and learn." Repeat. Very good. Keep going. Your voice matters, even when it's soft. Now, let's warm up with gentle English sentences for your nighttime routine. I had a long day. Repeat. I did my best today. Repeat. I'm grateful for this quiet time. Repeat. Excellent. Feel your body relax as you speak. Speaking English at night helps your brain remember new words more easily. It's also a way to end the day with calm focus. Now, let's reflect on today. Just a little. Think about something that made you smile. Say it in English. Today, I felt happy when. Repeat. Very nice. Even a small moment is enough. You can also express tiredness or release stress. Try these. I feel a little tired, but peaceful. Repeat. I'm ready to rest my mind. Repeat. Beautiful work. Your pronunciation improves with every repetition. You are training your English and calming your thoughts at the same time. Let's finish this section with a few slow positive lines. I'm safe. Repeat. I'm calm. Repeat. I'm learning. Repeat. I'm growing every day. Repeat. That's very good. Keep going. You are doing something wonderful for yourself tonight. Learning with peace and focus. 2. Reflect on your day in English. Now that you are calm and focused, let's use English to think about your day. Reflection helps you remember new words and build confidence. We'll use simple sentences, short, easy, and relaxing. Let's begin. Say after me. Today was a busy day. Repeat. I had many things to do. Repeat. But I did my best. Repeat. That's very good. Keep going. Now, let's describe what kind of day you had. Try these. Today was good. Repeat. Today was okay. Repeat. Today was a little hard. Repeat. Excellent. Each sentence is clear and natural. Even simple English is powerful when you use it with feeling. Let's practice talking about what you did. Say after me. I woke up early. Repeat. I went to work. Repeat. I talked to my friends. Repeat. I learned something new. Repeat. Very nice. Now, let's practice expressing emotions in English. This helps you sound more natural and connected. I felt happy today. Repeat. I felt tired today. Repeat. I felt proud of myself. Repeat. Good job. You're learning to describe your feelings. That's real communication. Let's continue with a small reflection exercise. Think about one thing you are thankful for. Then say, I'm thankful for. Repeat. You can fill in your own word, family, health, peace, or rest. That's wonderful. Now, let's relax the mind with soft, comforting English. Everything is okay. Repeat. I can rest now. Repeat. I've done enough for today. Repeat. You're doing very well. Each sentence helps you end the day with a calm heart and confident English. 3. Gentle nighttime conversations. Now, let's imagine you're talking softly with a friend before bed. These small evening conversations help you sound natural and confident. We'll practice calm, friendly English, like talking with someone you trust. Say after me. Hi, how was your day? Repeat. It was good, thank you. Repeat. How about you? Repeat. Very nice. These short, polite exchanges are great for daily speaking practice. Now, let's practice more sentences for ending the day. I'm going to sleep soon. Repeat. I hope you have a good night. Repeat. Sleep well. Repeat. Sweet dreams. Repeat. Excellent. Keep going. Your rhythm is improving. Speaking slowly and clearly helps your English sound natural and calm. Let's add a few sentences you might use when chatting about the evening. Say after me. I watched a movie tonight. Repeat. I listened to some music. Repeat. I read a few pages of a book. Repeat. I had a cup of tea before bed. Repeat. Very good. You can use these sentences anytime you want to describe your quiet evening. Now, let's practice how to show kindness in English before saying good night. Say after me. Take care. Repeat. Rest well. Repeat. See you tomorrow. Repeat. Beautiful work. You are not only learning English, you're learning how to express warmth and connection. Let's end this section with calm, soothing lines for your mind. I am peaceful. Repeat. I am thankful for today. Repeat. I am ready for rest. Repeat. You're doing great. Keep breathing slowly. Each word is helping you build both language and peace. 4. Relax and let go in English. Now that your mind feels calm, let's use English to release stress and prepare for deep rest. This part will help you connect English with a sense of peace and emotional release. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Good. Now listen and repeat softly after me. I let go of today. Repeat, I forgive myself for any mistakes. Repeat, I did my best and that's enough. Repeat, very good. Keep going. These sentences train your English and your heart at the same time. Now let's relax the body with English phrases. Say after me. My mind is calm. Repeat, my body feels light. Repeat, my breath is slow and steady. Repeat, excellent. The rhythm of your voice helps your thoughts slow down. Let's add more soft, emotional expressions to release any tension. It's okay to rest now. Repeat, it's okay to stop worrying. Repeat, it's okay to feel tired. Repeat, wonderful. When you repeat these phrases, you practice kindness in English and in your mind. Let's do a short reflection in English. What do I need tonight? Repeat, I need peace. Repeat, I need rest. Repeat, I need gentle dreams. Repeat, very nice. Now let's practice some positive self-talk in English before bed. These are affirmations that help you feel calm and confident. I'm learning every day. Repeat, I'm proud of my progress. Repeat, I'm growing stronger inside and out. Repeat, you're doing so well. Every word you speak is helping your English and your emotional balance. Before we move to the next section, let's say a few closing lines for this part. The day is ending peacefully. Repeat, tomorrow will be a new start. Repeat, I can rest now. Repeat, that's very good. You're doing something kind for yourself. Learning English while creating peace inside. 5. Gratitude and positivity before sleep. Now, let's fill your heart with gratitude before you rest. When you end your day with thankful thoughts in English, you build emotional strength and positive language memory. Let's begin with simple, peaceful lines. Say, after me. I'm thankful for this quiet night. Repeat. I'm thankful for my body and my breath. Repeat. I'm thankful for the people I love. Repeat. Very good. Keep going. Your English becomes softer and more natural with each repetition. Let's continue. Think about 3 small good things from today. Maybe a smile, a meal, or a calm moment. Now say, I'm thankful for today's little joys. Repeat. I'm thankful for what I learned. Repeat. I'm thankful that I'm safe and warm. Repeat. Excellent work. You're learning to use English for emotional peace, not just communication. Now, let's add some kind sentences to end the day on a positive note. Say, after me. I did my best today. Repeat. I'm proud of myself. Repeat. I choose to think positive thoughts. Repeat. That's wonderful. Your voice sounds peaceful and your mind is calm. Keep breathing slowly as you speak. Let's bring in a few loving, universal sentences. Say, after me. I wish peace to everyone tonight. Repeat. I hope tomorrow will be bright. Repeat. I send love and kindness to the world. Repeat. Excellent. When you speak English like this, you connect emotion, rhythm, and vocabulary naturally. Now, one last round of gentle gratitude lines. Thank you, today. Repeat. Thank you, life. Repeat. Thank you, rest. Repeat. Beautiful job. You are creating an English habit that relaxes your mind, opens your heart, and prepares you for sleep. 6. Peaceful closing practice. Now, let's bring everything together: calm words, soft thoughts, and peaceful English. This final section will help you end your day with warmth, confidence, and inner peace. Let's begin slowly. Say, after me. The day is done. Repeat. I can rest now. Repeat. I feel calm inside. Repeat. Very good. Keep going. Let's recall the meaning of your practice tonight. Not just learning English, but speaking with peace and emotion. Say, after me. I'm becoming more fluent every day. I'm proud of my effort. Repeat. Excellent. Now, let's prepare your mind for gentle rest. You can say these softly, even with your eyes closed. I'm surrounded by calm. Repeat. The night is peaceful. Repeat. Everything is okay. Repeat. You're doing beautifully. Your pronunciation improves. Your rhythm becomes smoother, and your mind feels lighter. Now, imagine tomorrow. A fresh, new day. Say, after me. Tomorrow. I will wake up with energy. Repeat. Tomorrow. I will speak English with confidence. Repeat. tomorrow. I will keep learning. Repeat. Very good. Each sentence is a promise. Calm, clear, and positive. Let's close with gentle affirmations. Say after me. I'm thankful for this moment. Repeat. I'm proud of my progress. Repeat. I'm growing in peace and confidence. Repeat. That's wonderful. You've completed your nighttime English practice with heart and focus. Your English is improving. Your thoughts are clear and your spirit is calm. You are making progress. I'm proud of you. Sleep peacefully, and I'll see you again in the next practice.